Hey, this is Dhruv and this is assignment number 9 in CS50's game development. This time we have to do Dreadhalls. We had to make 3 changes in the assignment. So let's get into it. As you can see, right as we get into the game, we can see the level 1. This moves on as we go through the levels. The first one is 1, then 2, 3. We have implemented the holes that we require. So I'm just going to jump over it. After we get the gem, maybe we'll try it for next time. As you can see, now we are on level 2. And we just can now go and die. And as you can see, the whisper sound is still going on because I thought if I stop it at game over, it'll end in an abrupt manner. So once we get into the title state, it stops. Now, as you can hear, must be audible to you that the whisper sound is no more playing, and only the title song is playing. As we get right into the game, the whisper sound comes back. So we have this for us, and we're on level 2. I think I've pretty much shown everything that was required. I guess this time we should look into the code. Now, as you can see, just initially we set map data z x is equal to true. Now, this is just done so we can make sure that the holes are not spawned where our character was placed or inside a wall. It's always created the path in the path carved for us by the generate means data. So inside that we do random range holes is less than equal to 4, so to make sure that there are not more than 4 holes, and map data is set to false. So all these should be true for us to create a hole. Now if that's set to true, then we just create a child prefab and we set the hole is equal to hole plus 1. As you can see, we've set y to -1, so it's 0 and below that. Now I think we can just go down to the end. At this point, in update, we have checked that if character control dot transform dot position dot y is less than 1, so below the flow, then it goes to 1. So basically, even if it goes beyond, because the camera control is set at, I guess, what would be his head and not his legs, so it should be less than 1 instead of less than 0. So we go back to level 1 and it goes to load scene over. Or we could actually do level 1 after load scene over, because if you just look at it from another aspect, maybe level 1 would come before we get into it, but that's not a big problem to be honest. So load scene on input, it was basically just go to play. Now we've done that. First we get the scene that's going on name, so just get active scene, and if scene.name is equal to title, then go to play, otherwise go to title. Now I've set basically the load scene.input even to the game over's text in Unity, so that's no problem. We pause the music that's playing in the background. In grab pickup, what we've done is level.+1 and we go back to the play state. One more thing that we had to do was to make sure that once the game ends, then the music is paused and the music to start back again, and that's done in the start function and right at the end, I guess. Yes, over here. We play the music if it has been paused. Because it's paused, so and it's sent to don't destroy, so it'll only play if the music is not playing already. So that's it for this time. Thank you.